see Chipshow Cipshow outdoor LED screen for DOOH that is awarded Germany IF design. This Cipshow cabinet is made by magnesium alloy, featured with high precision, automatic heat dissipation, and lightweight. It weighs only 30 kilograms per square meter. Regarding its cooling system, it's not only natural dissipation but also a double flow negative pressure fans to speed up air inside and outside circulation. That makes LED screen work at low temperature and prolonged lifespan. Meanwhile, it has 2.5, 3.4, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.7, 8, 10, 16. Abundant pitches for different view distance and different size projects. 320 by 160 mm. Unified module size for all pitches is easy for resolution updating, and perfect matching with cabinet structure makes whole screen completely flat. Multiplay cabinets including 640 by 960 mm, 960 by 960 mm, 1280 by 960 mm can build up any size screen because it can be mixed to connect together. Each cabinet has faster locks, handles, and location pins, and lightweight so it can be fixed on structure and can be hung up for events. If adding brackets and rubber cushion, it can be put on sport field as perimeter LED screen. Our excellent circuit design and cooling system makes Cipshow reach 7,000 nits brightness at low current that protects LED screen for longer time using. The biggest surprise of Cipshow is that can match with 320 by 320 mm, 4, 5, 6.67, 8, 10 front service modules. Finally, the most important is it's always available in Netherlands for your urgent demand. If you are interested in this Cipshow, we always welcome you to consult more.